In this video, we're going to see how we can add scattering effect on a water shader. So I have here a really simple water shader, and we're going to work in this. First, we'll open this shader. And now, we're going to add a Fresnel node. The Fresnel effect describes how the amount of light reflected from a surface changes depending on the angle between the surface normal and the viewing direction. This effect is most noticeable in materials like glass or water, where the edges appear more reflective than the surface viewed from up. It kind of adds effects in the side of geometry. Now we will add a lurk node. It will change the color of Fresnel based on the Fresnel node. The B represents white and A represents black. We are just going to change these two colors. Let's create a color property where we can write like outer scatter. Now we are going to add this in the B. So if we change this color, you can see the white is being replaced. And now we're going to add another color property, and let's name it in a scatter. Now do the same thing. As you can see, we have successfully changed white and black color. If you want to add the output into the base color, you can always use our add node, so we're just going to add the output in the emission. Now we will create a power property to control the power. Just put it into the Fresnel's input of power. Adjust it a little. Now let's save and see the result. Now we will set the colors correctly. As you can see, we have successfully added scattering effect into our water shader. This is the final result.